Wait, you clicked on the right video. Most people ignore videos like this. They scroll past, they get distracted, and they stay stuck in the same place financially. But you didn't do that. That already makes you different. You actually want to move forward. You want to make money. You want to improve your life. And let me tell you something honestly. If you just give me a few minutes of your time without skipping, without distractions, this video can genuinely change the way you think about money. The reality is, people who succeed financially don't always work harder. They just understand things differently. And right now you're already ahead of most people, just because you decided to click on this video. So for the next few minutes, I want you to forget everything else. Forget what's happening around you. Ignore your phone, ignore the noise, and just focus completely on my voice. What I'm about to share with you is not fake motivation or something you've already heard 100 times. This is real, practical, and it actually works in 2026. And I'm telling you right now, if you watch this carefully, there's a very high chance you'll walk away with a completely new mindset about money, income, and how to actually build something that pays you. So don't skip, stay focused, because this might be one of the most important videos you watch. Let's get started. Imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing your phone, and seeing that you made $250 while you were sleeping. No boss texting you, no alarm dragging you out of bed, no stress about trading your time for dollars. That's the dream most people in the United States have when they hear the words passive income. But here's the truth no one tells you. Most passive income advice online is either outdated, unrealistic, or straight up misleading. In 2026, the game has changed. The economy is shifting, technology is evolving fast, and the old methods don't hit the same anymore. So if you're serious about building real passive income that actually works today, not 5 years ago, not in theory, but right now, then you need to understand what's real, what's fake, and what actually puts $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per month in your pocket. Let's start by clearing up the biggest lie. Passive income is not do nothing and get rich. That fantasy has sold millions of views, but it has also kept millions of people stuck. Real passive income is front-loaded work followed by long-term payoff. You put in effort up front sometimes, a lot of effort, and then you build systems that continue to generate income with minimal ongoing work. That's the truth. And once you accept that, everything changes. Because now you're not chasing shortcuts. You're building assets that can pay you $100, $500, or even $1,000 every single day. In 2026, the people who are winning with passive income are not chasing random side hustles every week. They are focused. They are building leverage. They are using technology, especially AI, to scale faster than ever before. And most importantly, they are solving real problems. Because at the end of the day, money flows to value. If you create something valuable once and people keep using it, you get paid again. And again, whether that's $10 sales stacking up to $1,000, or high-ticket products bringing in $5,000 in a single day. The first passive income model that still works and works incredibly well is digital products. We're talking about things like ebooks, online courses, templates, guides, and downloadable resources. Why does this work? Because you create it once, and you can sell it an unlimited number of times. There's no inventory, no shipping, no overhead. In the US, millions of people are actively searching for ways to learn new skills, whether it's making money online, improving their health, or mastering a specific tool. If you can package your knowledge into something simple and useful, you can realistically make your first $1,000 online, then scale it to $5,000 a month and beyond. And with AI tools available in 2026, creating high-quality products is faster than ever, but only if you focus on real value. Another powerful passive income stream is content monetization. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, and newsletters are still massive opportunities, but the strategy has evolved. It's no longer about uploading random videos or writing generic articles. It's about building a niche, understanding your audience deeply, and creating content that keeps them coming back. When you do that, You unlock multiple income streams: ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even your own products. One video can make you $50, $100, or even $1,000 per month for years. And when you stack multiple videos, that's when you start seeing $5,000 to $10,000 a month consistently. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most misunderstood passive income models. The concept is simple: you promote a product or service, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. But most people fail because they treat it like spam. They drop links everywhere and hope for the best. That doesn't work anymore. What works in 2026 is trust. If you build an audience and genuinely recommend products that solve real problems, affiliate income can easily grow from $500 a month to $3,000 a month or more, especially in the US, where consumers spend billions online every day. Even a small percentage of conversions can turn into serious money. Next is one of the fastest growing opportunities right now: AI-powered income streams. This is where things get really interesting. People are using AI to create content, automate businesses, build tools, and even offer services at scale. For example, you can create AI-generated digital products, run automated content pages, or build simple tools that solve specific problems. The barrier to entry has dropped dramatically. People are making $1,000 to $10,000 per month using AI systems, but only if they focus on solving real problems instead of chasing hype. Real estate has always been a classic passive income strategy, and in 2026, it still works, but it has evolved. Traditional rental properties require significant capital, often $50,000 or more just to get started. But newer models like short-term rentals, co-hosting, and real estate crowdfunding allow you to start with less money. You can earn $500 to $2,000 a month per property, depending on the setup. It's not completely passive at the beginning, but once systems are in place, it becomes a consistent income stream. Dividend investing is another solid option, especially for long-term passive income. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you earn a portion of the company's profits regularly. For example, a $10,000 investment might generate $300 to $500 per year in dividends. That might sound small, but when you scale to $100,000 or more, now you're looking at $3,000 to $5,000 per year, and it keeps growing. The real power comes from reinvesting your earnings and letting compounding turn small amounts into serious wealth over time. Now let's address something critical. Most people quit too early. They try one method for 2 to 3 weeks, don't see $1,000 instantly, and move on to something else. That's the biggest mistake. Passive income is not about jumping from one idea to another. It's about picking one model and sticking with it long enough to see real results. The people making $10,000 a month today didn't get there in a week. They stayed consistent when others gave up. Another mistake is chasing perfection. People spend months planning, researching, and waiting for the perfect idea. Meanwhile, others are taking action, making mistakes, and improving. Your first $100 online won't be perfect. Your first $1,000 might feel slow, but once you figure it out, scaling to $5,000 becomes much easier. Action beats perfection every single time. Let's talk about scalability, because this is where real passive income is built. A job pays you once for your time, maybe $15 hour, maybe $30 hour. But scalable systems pay you over and over again. Digital products, content, affiliate marketing, AI tools, these can reach thousands of people without requiring more of your time. That's how people go from making $0 to $1,000 a month, then $5,000, then $10,000 and beyond. In the US market, competition is high, but so is opportunity. There are millions of people ready to spend money if you solve their problem. Even capturing a tiny fraction of that market can change your life. But you need to stand out. You need to be clear about who you're helping and what result you're delivering. Generic content won't make you $1,000. Specific, valuable content will. Consistency is your biggest advantage. Most people are inconsistent. They post a few videos, try for a month, and quit. But if you stay consistent posting, learning, improving, you build momentum. One video makes $10. 10 videos make $100. 50 videos can make $1,000 per month. That's how it scales. So let's bring it all together. If you want to build passive income in 2026 that actually works, here's the formula. Pick one model. Focus on delivering real value. Use AI to move faster and stay consistent long enough to see results. You don't need 10 income streams. You need one that can make you your first $1,000 a month. Then scale it. And here's the question you need to ask yourself right now. Are you going to take action or keep watching? Because someone out there is starting today. Someone is building their first $100, then $1,000, then $10,000 per month. And the only difference between you and them is execution. Start today. Because every day you wait, you're leaving money on the table. $10, $100, maybe even $1,000 per day in the future. Passive income isn't luck, it's strategy, consistency, and action. And if you commit to it, your first $1,000 is not a dream, it's just the beginning. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. The purpose of this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am simply sharing information and insights, not giving investment advice. Any decisions you make to invest or use a platform are solely your responsibility. Neither I nor this channel are liable for any losses, damages, or outcomes resulting from your actions. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making financial decisions.